This is a beginner ukulele tutorial, and by the end of it, you'll have learned how to chuck 2 ways. Hang around to the end because I'm going to play a song and you can play along with me. It's going to be fun.
Playing wrist ukulele is lots of fun.
The chuck is a mute stroke. So it's a great tool to add texture to your strum pattern. It makes it sound interesting and it almost emulates a snare drum. Let me demonstrate. So if we take our C chord and do a really simple strum, you'll notice that I'm using my 3 fingers when I play beats 2 and 4. So 1 point of contact to start with, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, with a bit of a swing. And then on the beats 2 and 4, I'm going to flick my 3 fingers. So it's like I'm trying to get paint off my fingers. It's that sort of action. It's quite swift. So down, up, flick, up, down, up, flick, up, down, up, flick, up. And now, if I continue that flick so that the palm of my hand lands on the strings, that's a chuck. And so you get a little bit of a note, but it's a short, sharp one. And if you put that in the mix, it sounds like this. Here's another angle. That's the first way, and that's the way I like to play most of the time. But sometimes I strum my ukulele like this. So we've talked about this before, but it's like a pistol, right? And you let all the air out, and then you put your thumb on that little spot there. It's like a shock absorber. And we're going to strum our ukulele like that. Okay? So it's a bit louder, really. And now to get the chuck with this method, all we're going to do is twist our wrist like that. So this part of our hand, it's kind of the flesh of their thumb, hits the strings like so. In one motion. It's not 2 like that, but 1. So in our strum, another angle. If you're enjoying this video, please do give me a thumbs up, share me with your friends, leave me a comment below. I love to hear from you. And of course, if you'd like the song sheet for this particular lesson, head on over to my new website. It's called stukulele.com. Now, a great song to demonstrate this strum is Pearly Shells. We're going to do it in the beginner key of C. So we're going to need these chords. C, F, G7, and the D7. Now, you could play the D7 like that, with your first finger on the top string like so. Or some people like to do this. There's kind of a good argument that it's easier to get to the G7 if you do use those 2 fingers. Up to you.
Playing wrist ukulele is lots of fun.
Pearly Shells in the beginner key of C. 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, go. Shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them and I've got more left over for each star that twinkles in the blue. Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the little pearly shells. I love that tune. I think it's wonderful. Thanks for hanging around all the way to the end of the video. Of course, YouTube loves that. And for that, you're getting a gold star. I'll see you in the next one.